to build this really cool combination lock. It is a fully working combination lock with dual redstone. And if I do this, I'll do the combination. And if I do any random combination, combination is this. See, look, the door opened. Isn't that cool? And watch this cool part. If I turn this lever on, the door will open. That's cool. Six until the door ends, and you connect them obviously, but you actually have to stop here. You can't just put redstone, it won't work. So what you're going to do is you place any block of your choice and then a redstone torch on that. If you've done it correctly, the redstone torch should turn off. And then you place the block over that and you cover it up. But actually you shouldn't cover this block or it will block the redstone and it won't work. And you shouldn't cover this block either. I'll show you in a minute. See, when I'm doing this, you can cover that, but don't accidentally cover that. See, that's not gonna work. So you can cover it up. Oops. See, I've used nothing so far for 14.0. And also, if you want to cover that, don't cover this. Otherwise, nothing will work. Or at least the top layers won't work. You can place blocks like that because there's nothing there if you want to. Oh yeah. Oops, again. Just cap that off. And then place an iron door. Not a wooden block, an iron door. There. And then you can make a little wall. Like a room, secret room. So, just making the room. So, the room's done. It is exactly like this. It's exactly the same as this, except that's made of wood. Sorry about the commercial. And how it works is, so you press, and it works.